there, Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces, introducing you to another area of our showroom here in Vaughan. This is the first area that our visitors see as they walk into the showroom, and it's a very strategic area. It's something we want them to relate to right away. And so here we have a fireplace with TV above and cabinets on either side, and many people are looking for that sort of configuration in their own homes. Theirs might be bigger or smaller, but the concept of having that central fireplace with the TV recessed above and cabinets of some kind on either side. Our fireplace happens to be the Dimplex XLF50. Above it we have a 55-inch TV. Over here we have a couple of Napoleon products. So on the bottom we have their Trivista 60-inch, three-sided. Now what we've done is open up one end and remove the, we've kept the glass there, and we put a barrier on the other end for more of a three-sided L-shaped installation. And then above that we have one of the Stylus units, wall-mounted cabinets. This is the Cara. So this is just one small part of our showroom in Vaughan. We have over 50 electric fireplaces here. This is where our experts work. So when you're talking to us by phone, by email, by live chat, this is our backdrop. This is where we get hands-on with the fireplaces. We work with them every day. Our installers have installed thousands of these. We have over 50 here in Vaughan. And so whether you're able to come into our showroom in person or you're talking to us from somewhere else in the country, we're here hands-on, being your eyes and ears, so we can answer your questions and help you figure out which fireplace is best for you and get into some of the details that may not be clear on the website. Please remember, we are not a call center. We are a real showroom. We're a small Canadian family-owned business here in Vaughan, Ontario, and we've got access to this showroom when we're answering your questions. So we really do know these products, and we want to help you find the best one. So you can read more about us and learn about our showroom at stylishfireplaces.ca.